Welcome to Lake of the Ozarks. I'm Captain Ben Beecher, and today we're on a 2022 Scout 350 LXZ. Starting off at the back of the boat, it's powered by triple Mercury 400s. Has a dual walkthrough on both sides of the transom. So coming into the rear cockpit here, you have this nice seat. This seat pulls power. It lays down flat, and then a backrest comes up in the back, so you can have a forward-facing lounger. And you have your nice combing pads and seat over here on the starboard. Or on this side, kind of a neat setup here. You have a power cooler box down here, touch of a button here, cooler out. It's gonna pull this cooler out there, and then also cooler back in. And then you also have seats underneath here. Pull these out. Now you have some seats that you can look at your screen here. Our grill, can you grill under here? Screen back here. I have it set up on Seakeeper now. Go home, you can set it up on anything, set it over to the radio, do radio control through that. Okay. Over here, you have your nice kind of dinette area in the forward cockpit, and that table is also power up and down. Okay. Over here at the helm, joystick control, you can see here. Have your nice screens up top, so real good visibility, access to everything right through there. Nice sized cabin down below here and bathroom. Move forward into the bow. Nice seating area all the way up in the bow. Deep boat, big boat, a lot of glass. Nice hard top, air conditioning here. If you have any questions, call and make an appointment to come check it out, or stop in MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thanks, have a great day.